1973 Cadillac Eldorado convertible. Price: $24,750. The 1973 Cadillac Eldorado convertible stands as one of the most unforgettable luxury automobiles ever produced in America. At a time when manufacturers competed by building bigger, Cadillac answered with a convertible that looked and felt like a personal luxury yacht on wheels. Finished in its factory-correct maize exterior with a matching light maize interior and a cream convertible top, this classic instantly captures attention wherever it goes. The first thing that makes this Eldorado special is its incredible presence. Stretching over 18 feet in length, the car dominates the road with its bold front grille, massive chrome bumpers, elegant body lines, and distinctive rear fender skirts. Every angle reflects the confidence of 1970s American automotive design. Even parked, the Eldorado looks like it belongs in a Hollywood movie, representing an era when statement before the engine was ever started. The heart of this Cadillac is the legendary 500 cubic inch V8 engine, an enormous 8.2-liter power plant that remains one of the largest passenger car engines ever installed in a production automobile. This giant V8 was built for effortless cruising. Paired with an automatic transmission, the driving experience is smooth, quiet, and relaxed. The Eldorado was never meant to be a sports car. The cream convertible top transforms the entire character of the vehicle. Drivers and passengers can enjoy the open-air experience while surrounded by one of the most luxurious cabins of its era. Whether cruising through downtown streets, scenic mountain roads, or coastal highways, this Cadillac creates a sense of occasion that modern vehicles simply cannot replicate. It is a car that encourages people to slow, then rush toward the destination. The interior reflects Cadillac's commitment to comfort and convenience. The spacious cabin features comfortable bench seating, power windows, power door locks, cruise control, air conditioning, and an AM/FM radio. One particularly interesting feature is the factory-installed outside temperature gauge integrated into the driver's side mirror, a surprisingly advanced luxury touch. For the early 1970s, every effortless and enjoyable. The exterior remains faithful to its original design, thanks to its factory-style 15-inch steel wheels, Cadillac hubcaps, thin white-wall tires, and brilliant chrome trim. Adding to the car's uniqueness are Cadillac's signature cornering lamps, which illuminate turns at low speeds to improve nighttime visibility.